If you want smooth and fast slide transitions like this, then in this video I show you how to do it. Okay, first thing you want to do is make sure your clips are matching, they're going together. So we have one sprinting clip, then we have another sprinting clip that you can play with, and we have a running scene from Rocky going to the left, and then we have a running scene from Creed doing exactly the same thing. So it's matching. We can actually work with this and use slide transitions. Number two is that do not use video transitions, for example, push or slide. These ones, do not use it. You want to actually go to effects and then use adjustment clip. You want to have a big adjustment clip over the two clips that you want to go together. So these ones and these ones. You want to go to fusion page, add transform node, and now what you want to do is keyframe the center in the beginning of the clip, go to the end of the first clip right here, keyframe that, go to the beginning of the second clip, keyframe that, and go to the end of the second clip and keyframe that. In your spline and your keyframes, this is how it should look like. Now what you want to do is basically go up, right? You want to go up to the second clip. If you want to go up, then what you should do is leave top part empty. So you need to come down to the center until it's 0, like this. So top part is empty. Now for the second clip, you want to do the opposite. Okay, so it should be 1 actually. So now from first clip, we are going up to the second clip. Obviously we have empty spaces. What you want to do is go to edges and just put this on mirror, and we can still see these things and all of that, so it's ugly. What you want to do is fix this speed, fix your graph. So go to your spline and drag this all the way forward, and then drag this down. And for the top part, it's the same thing. Drag this all the way to the center and drag this one up. The shape that we are looking for is like an opposite S. Okay, it's like this. So now it's faster when we play the clip. Boom, it just goes right here. It's not starting from the beginning of the first clip, it starts from the end right here. But we are still missing something, and that's motion blur. So go to your settings, add motion blur, and just drag this up to 7, 10, whatever. You can play with this and see which one you like. Same goes for shutter angle. I want to use 300, and we are done. So this is the first two clips. So we just go up, boom, to the second clip, and it's beautiful, right? It's super fast. And we have that motion blur. Now for these two clips, again, we repeat the same process. Okay, so transform, keyframe the center, go to the end of the first clip, beginning of the second clip, and end of the second clip. This is how it looks, right? Our keyframes. And now since we want to go to the left side, we should leave left side empty. So just drag this all the way to 1, and the second clip should be the opposite, right? So 0. Fix the edges, mirror, and then fix your keyframes. Drag this all the way to the center, drag this down. Same goes for the other one. And the shape that we have is again like an opposite S. Go to your settings, motion blur, turn this all the way up, and then 300, and we are good to go. So we have clips that are going together with the slide transition. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know what more videos you want to see down in the comments.